This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about pans, specifically these mini pans and skillets. And there's several different sizes to show you. We have the round silver stainless steel mini frying pan. This one is 4 inches across and has a 3/4 inch depth. We have the round copper and stainless steel mini saucepan. So you can see it's got that great copper finish for lots of nice shine on the outside. And this saucepan is 7 inches in length. It's 3.5 inches wide and features a 2-inch depth. Next, we have the round silver stainless steel mini skillet. And this one is 6.5 inches wide and features a 1.5 inch depth. We have the round 2-ounce copper mini saucepan. This one is 5 inches in length and it's 2 inches in diameter. And it's just great for heating up tiny portions. So great for warming up some clarified butter or just a tiny bit of sauce. We have the silver stainless steel mini saute pan. And this one is 9 inches in length. It's 5.25 inches in diameter and features a 1.5 inch depth to that pan. And finally, we have the 2-ounce copper and stainless steel mini saucepan with the easy pour lip. And you can see this one features that nice little spout there. So it's especially great for sauces and dips, especially if you want to do a drizzle over your dish. This one is 5 inches in length, 2.25 inches in diameter. All of these styles of mini pans are available in either that silver stainless steel finish or the copper finish. And they can all be hung for storage. They all have great holes on the end of the handle. They're fantastic for preparing tiny portions and sauces or using for stylish and unique presentation options. They're going to be great for making small crepes, tiny omelets, or even frying up something little like quail's eggs. They feature this great stainless steel construction for a really solid kitchen tool, and they're oven and freezer safe. They're also dishwasher safe as well for easy cleanup, and they're perfect for restaurants, caterers, or just to upgrade your own equipment at home.